Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Koko, the western lowland gorilla who learned sign language and became an icon in pop culture, has died at the age of 46. The group that took care of her confirmed Thursday. The Gorilla Foundation, led by Dr. Francine Penny Patterson, the animal psychologist who taught sign language in Koko, announced the death of the famous super simian in her sleep on Tuesday morning at the Woodside, California preserve of the organization. I am well aware of how grateful and wonderful my life has been to her, an emotional 71-year-old Patterson told ABC News. She was fine. That's my understanding. She taught me so much. Born in the San Francisco Zoo on the 4th of July, 1971, Koko was loaned to Patterson at the age of 1 for a research project on interspecies communication at Stanford University. At birth, she got the name Hanabi-ko, Japanese for fireworks child, but her nickname Koko soon became widely known. When Koko was wanted back for breeding by the San Francisco Zoo, Patterson raised over $12,000 to officially adopt the primate. Koko touched the lives of millions as a spokeswoman for all gorillas and as a symbol of interspecies contact and empathy, and she was loved and will be deeply missed, the Gorilla Foundation said in a statement. For the rest of her life, she lived with Patterson and became known as one of history's most intelligent primates, admired by millions of people around the world. And she loves them back, although we as a species are pretty flawed, Patterson said. Koko has been visited by numerous celebrities through the years. She and Leonardo DiCaprio have become friends. She taught Mr. Rogers the love symbol and cradled the host of the children's television show in her lap. After entering her cage, she once grabbed William Shatner by the testicles and repeatedly told the animal he loved her. Koko also caused actor and comedian Robin Williams, by raising his shirt and tickling him, to crack up laughing. It's really humbling to look into the eyes of a 300-pound gorilla and have her tell you that what she thinks, said the actress Betty White after visiting Koko in 2012. In 2016, Koko also jammed bassist Flea with Red Hot Chili Peppers. "This is the biggest thing that could happen," Flea said after handling his bass to Koko, and she plucked it out. "This is a day in my life which I will never forget." The gorilla has been featured in several films, including Koko, a Talking Gorilla, which was screened at the Cannes Film Festival in 1978. Koko has also been featured twice on the cover of National Geographic magazine. She became so famous that she learned to autograph pictures for fans. The Gorilla Foundation said Koko learned more than 1,000 words in sign language through Patterson's tutelage and came to understand more than 2,000 words in English spoken to her. In 1983, Koko adopted a kitten, a gray male Manx called Aldball. When the cat was hit by a car and killed in 1985, Koko grieved for months and once signed "Sad Bad Trouble," asking about the kitty. She also helped Patterson write a children's book named Koko's Kitten about Aldball. Gorilla Foundation staff surprised Koko in 2015 with a box containing a litter of kittens. Koko picked out 2, naming them Miss Gray and Miss Black, and used sign language to communicate that the kittens were her babies to her trainer. Koko's ability to speak language and empathy has opened millions of minds and hearts, the foundation said in its statement.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.